Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a clock widget in Notion like this. I just created these two clocks and I will show you exactly how you can do this. Alright, first of all, create a new page and then we go to a new tab on Google and we search for, let's see, identify Notion. This is exactly what we need, because right now if you click on this link, we need to log in, and with this widgets option we can do many things. So first of all, click on it, log in with your email, and then after this he will send us further. Then right now what we want to do is we want to explore for widgets and then for the clock widget. So right now we click on create widget, give it a title something like test, and then we click on continue to create this clock widget for our Notion. Then right now what you see is that they automatically create a flip clock right here. But now we can do two things. If you want a flip clock like this, then keep this clock on. But we want to also create an analog clock. So we click here on analog numbers and then you will get a clock like this. So choose between all the types of the clocks what you like, and then make sure that you create something like this. For now, I'm using the analog numbers clock. Then what we want to do is, you have many options right here. Now, let's say we don't want to show the time indicators, then we can turn that one off, but I like that. Now, let's say, what if you don't want to show the seconds, then we can turn that one off too. And then what if we don't want to show the seconds DL, let's say something like this, so just the clock. This is fine. Then we can change the font if you want to. So let's say we want this font, that's fine. And then you have a lot of options for the background color. So let's say the background color now, something like this. What if we change this to blue? Now we have a blue clock, that's fine. Then you can also do a dark light appearance from here. And you can do something with this, but this is for now not necessary, trust me. And right now we just created a clock, for example. Then what we want to do is click here on this link. And then we go to Notion. And then we go somewhere in our Notion project and then we do /empt. Then we click on this and then we do Ctrl+V right here. And then we do end link. And then right now he will add this clock to our widget. If you want to have a bigger clock, then go to the size, like padding, make it a little bit bigger, and then your clock will be bigger right here. But this is exactly how you can add a clock widget in your Notion, and hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.